Sam's birthday collection for
her!
It was in this seemingly normal suburban garden that was the scene of a horrific murder. In this very shed, a woman walked in to simply get some bin bags when she was brutally murdered with her own garden shears. Let's have a look at what may have happened. Here is a drawing by a criminal artist of how eyewitnesses remember the criminal.
Have you seen this person?
Hi, and welcome back to Nature Strolls, not Nature Walks. Now, as I walk along this lovely grassy patch, I come across this lovely bush called the Willius patriciardis. It is a weird plant which often tells jokes at times of joke need.
I like to stick around.
At times of need, it often tells strange but beautiful jokes. For example,
Can I shed some light on this?
thank you, Will, for shedding some light on the situation. Have you have any more queries or anything to tell us?
Would you like some pop? It's good to time.
Beautiful. Back to the studio where we'll be seeing Hannah settle.
Very much. Robin? What's his name?
Yeah, it was.
Well, we are privileged to have such an amazing expert with us, as we do here. Can't pronounce your name, but you will be telling us about this beautiful plant, if you don't mind. What's it named? Its name to begin
It's
with.
the pinky planticus. It's very rare in Britain.
Really? Yeah.
It's very common in Mother Russia.
Oh wow.
In Russia, very common. See it everywhere.
Yeah.
Here, not so much. It more like the warm.
Uh-huh.
It's very good in the cold.
Oh wow.
See, in winter. You never see it in England again.
No. Of course. Oh wow. Wow. Oh, here we have that presenter. Hello. Well,
Hello.
I think that just about wraps up the show. Thank you very much, Russian person.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this version of this episode of Nature Strolls.
Yes,
It's been
thanks for watching.
fabulous.
And we'll see you next week at the later time of 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So, for those of you who normally go out partying, you'll have to stay indoors for this one. I'll see you then.
Bye.